accounted for 9.
Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. What you're listening to is a video put out by CNBC. This can be found on the CNBC crypto page of Facebook. Basically, the headline is, here's what you can do with Bitcoin in Japan. Japan made Bitcoin a legal currency, and now it's more popular than ever. So this video has a variety of things that shows how Bitcoin is starting to get a little more mainstream in average Japanese society. So they have now made it mainstream, and it's an accepted form of payment. There are regulations, it's tighter regulations, and there's something like 4,500 stores carrying Bitcoin, which is quite a bit, and it's starting to get out there, and you can transfer your Bitcoin or fund the Bitcoin by getting a QR code. I don't know what app it is, but apparently that's what stores will accept. And then there's the usual exchanges and stuff. Quite a fascinating item in Japanese society, and Japan leads in all countries about 40% of Bitcoin users and transactions and investing and You may want to check out that video. All right, so another interesting item is basically an article on Bitcoin.com found on November 7th. This came through, I believe, on my Facebook group. But either way, thanks to whoever from providing that. This is another very interesting article. There was an interview with the Guy Ziskin, CEO of Enigma, to discuss how his team is helping hedge funds utilize artificial intelligence and automated bot trading entering the crypto space. Now, I'm going to read this article. Now, again, this can be found on Bitcoin.com. The headline of the article is Artificial Intelligence is Coming to Crypto Trading. An interview with Guy Ziskin. My apologies to anyone out there. Spelled Zyskind. Now, this article here is a chart saying artificial intelligence will create or crush these bank jobs. Oh, this is from Bloomberg. So the only growth in banks by 2025 will be technology, data, and others. 27,000. The following areas that will lose jobs is investment banking, trading, clearing venue, private banking, wealth management, sales and trading, securities services, and asset management. Those are the jobs that will be probably tossed out by 2025. So if you're in those categories, it's time to look for a new career path, my friends. Also, from the same article, it says, hedge funds replace human workers with AI ones are greatly outperforming their traditional counterparts. In fact, we know about these guys, Renaissance Technologies. The hedge fund is one of the most reliant on AI. I just put up a podcast on that on Robert Mercer a few days ago. It's now my most popular podcast episode. There you go. And they also have the Medallion Fund, which gives been giving positive returns of between 20 and 98% from 2002 to 2016. During the 2007-8 financial crisis, Medallion Fund gave annual returns of 85.8 and 98.2% respectively. Very impressive numbers for legacy financial markets. Now, since AI has taken over the hedge fund industry, they say the rush of hedge funds and cryptocurrency will inevitably bring AI trading technology into the crypto markets as well. That is heavily discussed in my Telegram group, and we know about that. I mean, that's my next big phase, is moving into this. Let me just see here. There was some mention about high frequency. There was a mention about... Okay, so to understand the extent of AI taking over hedge funds, we need to look at the statistics. AI is set to replace 90,000 asset management jobs, and 45,000 sales and trading jobs by 2025. We talked about it. Famous hedge funds are already employing or trading Renaissance Technologies, Two Sigma, and Bridgewater. Just looking for more of the quantitative. There was a blurb on this regarding hedge fund. Now this is the guy in the interview. Hedge funds in the financial markets today predominantly use algos and quantitative trading. We're going to see the crypto markets evolve in the same direction, but crypto will evolve 10 times faster than the way it did in traditional equity markets. I could go on and on and on. I'm not going to, if you want to check out my blog posting for this, I'll put the links for both the CNBC report as well as this for high frequency trading. This is a big deal, this one particular article. So I'll definitely post this in the video description as well as the podcast description of the episode. All right, and hopefully you can find it through my blog posting here at quantlabs.net/blog. Over and out. Thanks for listening, watching.